Hello. Hello children. Now here I am with the last chapter of trigonometry. This happens to be your third chapter of trigonometry, and the name of the chapter is simple 2D problem. So 2D is standing here for two-dimensional. So two-dimensional problem. So the syllabus mentions that your simple two-dimensional problems will be there involving only one right angle triangle, but your book has exercises where there can be more than one triangle possible. Yeah, before I start with the questions of your exercise 22, first I'll explain to you what is the meaning of this 2D problem. Alright, here you go then. First, you know that sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. I hope you still remember, some people have. Curly brown here, turn permanently black. So this is what is the formula that you have learned. Now I am not going for cosec, secant, cot, because that they are not even required here in this chapter. So in 2D problems you can simply use sine, cos and tan. If you like, if you prefer, then you can go for cosec, secant, cot also, but as such is not necessary. Now in a triangle, so if I make a triangle, it has to be always a right angle triangle, you know that, one of the triangle. Then if you are given this angle, okay, if I am naming this angle as A, this one as B and this vertex as C, then if you are given this angle, again a revision that, you know, opposite to 90 degree, the longest side is what is hypotenuse. This is what is your hypotenuse. Opposite to the given angle is perpendicular. So this is perpendicular, angle is given, that means this is perpendicular, and this is base. Base is that side which touches the given angle as well as 90 degree. This is what is the base. Now in this chapter, out of the three sides, you will be given one side. Maybe you will be given hypotenuse. Then they will ask you, find what is perpendicular, or they may ask you what is base. Then provided that if you are given a hypotenuse, this angle also will be given to you. Let's suppose this angle is what is theta. Angle is also given. So that means the type of question that you will have. Okay, let us see now. This is what is angle, side 1, side 2. If an angle is given and the first side is given, then they will ask you what is that second side. Okay, for example, alright, here it is. I am making one triangle here. If this is ABC, this is 90 degree, and you are given excuse me, if this side is 20 meter and this angle is given as 30 degree, and the question is asking you to find this one. So you can see now angle is given here, angle is given, side one side is given. Out of the three side, one side will be given to you, one side is given, and the question is telling you to find what is this side. Now see how you will tackle the question. In this question, you see you are given angle is here opposite to the given angle, perpendicular is given to you, and what is the question asking you? The question is asking you to find hypotenuse. So perpendicular is given to you and hypotenuse asked. Now you have to select either a sine or a cos or a tan. Now which one, sine or a cos or a tan, has both perpendicular and hypotenuse? That is what you have to select. Now see, I am searching now. Cos has base and hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse there, perpendicular is what I require. This has P and B. P and B is not there, but P and H you can see is there in sine. So now to tackle this question, I have to select sine. So it is very, very important how or which trigonometric ratios you are going to take. So either you are going to take a sine or a cos or a tan. See how I have selected sine, because if I select sine, then I will have perpendicular as well as hypotenuse. What is given and what is asked. So sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Some people have. Now it is very, very important to make a choice correctly. If you, instead of taking sine, if you are taking cos, you will not get the answer, or if you are taking tan, you are not going to get the answer. So that's why choose properly, nicely, because sine theta means, why have I taken sine? Because perpendicular is given, hypotenuse asked. Now sine theta, so in this case our theta is 30. Sine 30 degree is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is 20 and hypotenuse is what we are looking for, and hypotenuse is AB. This is AB hypotenuse. Then sine 30, now from the table, you know sine 30 is standard angle. From the table it is half is 20 by AB. Now I'll cross multiply. AB into 1 is AB and 2 into 20 is 40. So there you are, AB, the hypotenuse is asked is what is 40 meters, like this. So when an angle and a side is given, then when you are asked to find the second side, this is what you do. But sometime you may be given first side as well as the second side. When two sides are given, then you may be asked to find the angle. What is the angle? Okay, let's take one example. Okay, here let me make a diagram this way. Then if I mark this as A, B, C, and let's suppose the angle which is given to you here is 60 degree. Oh sorry, we are asked to find the angle, so we are looking for an angle. So let's suppose you are given this one as 50 meter, and let's suppose that this is what is 100 meter. Now since two sides are given, you can see two sides are given to you, and the question is telling you how much is this angle. So let this angle be theta. Now we don't know what that angle is, and then the question is asking us to find what the angle is. Now again, let us see what this is. Since the angle is this is what is base. Okay, base is given to you. And what is that? Opposite to 90 degree. Opposite 90 degree means hypotenuse. So base and hypotenuse is given. Now as base and hypotenuse is given, out of the three, now which one I have to select? So whether I should select sine or a cos or a tan. So base and hypotenuse. Now let's search where is base and hypotenuse. Here you have perpendicular hypotenuse, here you have perpendicular base. Base and hypotenuse is cos. So that means I'm going to select here cos. So cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Now whatever values you are known to you, write down. Cos theta is equal to base. Base is 50 and hypotenuse is 100. Now if I cancel this, so this is 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2. Now this type of question we have already solved in the previous exercise. Cos, how much is half? Now from the table, see cos value, certain standard angle of cos is half. Now if you see that standard angle table, then you know that cos theta is 60, because cos 60 value is half. So then cos and cos will cancel. Cancel means in our mind will cancel. Don't cancel it here. So there your theta value is what is 60 degree. So then now we know our value of that theta, the missing angle which is here, that theta is what is 60 degree. This is how you have to select. Now see, I have shown you in the example how an angle and a side is given and the other side is found. See, don't forget, with this three you can solve all questions. You don't need again cosec, sec and cot is not required at all. With this three only every question you can solve. Same way here in the second question, I have solved a question where two sides are given to you, base and sometime base and perpendicular will be given, sometime perpendicular and hypotenuse will be given, and then if the missing angle is there, so from the standard table you can find out what is that missing angle. These are the types of questions which we are going to discuss. Now I am starting with exercise 22, the last chapter of your exercise. One more video I am going to upload most probably by Monday, which completes your exercise. Then after that, I think since I have not taken your test, so in your next week somewhere I will tell you by Monday in my next video. I will be telling you when I will be taking the test. So since there are three chapters of trigonometry and it's a very vast chapter, all three chapters are very vast. So that's why start practicing maths, start taking from that first chapter of trigonometry all questions. Most of you have done the homeworks, you have practiced and submitted, but I am not sure about others. So you also start practicing, and I am going to take your test also in Google Forms. So, but Google Forms, you know, mathematics has to be done a little differently. So you'll see what is that difference. So that I'll announce in my next video, which will come by Monday. Maybe in 3-4 days time you will be getting the video, and by next week I'll conduct the test in mathematics. Let me solve half the questions of exercise 22 now, and the remaining half I'll do it in my next video. So we have altogether 19 questions, so I'll try to go till question number 10 today. I'll try to cover till question number 10 today, leaving some for you to do as a homework. So all different types of questions we are going to discuss, and maybe the remaining ones will finish it in the next video, and with that we'll complete our trigonometry. A very big part of your syllabus will be over. Alright, now exercise 22, question number 1 has altogether 4 questions. Now let me take at least 2 questions. Let me take question number 1, where you have to find, this is given as 20 meter, this is as C, this one is B, this one is A, this is given as 30 degree, and the question is now telling you find what is this X. This is question number 1. Okay, let me take question number 4 also. And question number 4 has a diagram something like this, 90 degrees here, B, A and C. This is 10 root 3. This one is 60 degree, and that is X. Okay, so the question is telling you, in both the question you have to find out what is the value of that missing X. Okay, see, just now I have explained to you how we will take X. Angle is given, one more side is given, the second side is missing. If this is the angle, this is base, so I'll be needing the base. What is base? then perpendicular is given. Now out of sine, cos and tan, which one I'll take so that I'll have both perpendicular and base? And you know, perpendicular and base, both of these are there in tan. Sine has hypotenuse, you don't have hypotenuse. Cos also has hypotenuse, but hypotenuse is not there. So I'm going to select that trigonometric ratio which has both perpendicular and base, and that is what is tan. So I'll write tan, what is the angle? Angle is 30 degree, is perpendicular by base. So tan 30 degree, I have taken 30 because in the diagram 30 degree is given. So tan 30 is perpendicular by base. Tan 30 from the table, 1 by root 3 is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular there, it is 20, and base is what is x. The question is telling us to find the value of this x. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, x into 1 is x, and that is 20 root 3. So this is what your answer is, 20 root 3. But again, some of you may say, sir, no, I don't want in root, I want in decimal. So then if you want, then you can put the value of root 3. You all know that value of root 3 is 1.732. Root 3 value is 1.732. Now multiply this and this, and you can write your answer. So 20, if I multiply, 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 7, 14, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is what is your 3, 4, 6, 4, 0. So 3 place of decimal, 1, 2, 3 place of decimal means, so your answer is what is 34.64 meters. So this is what is the value of x. Yeah, very similar one is what is the next question, as you can see. So out of 4 questions, 2 I am doing, I am leaving 2 for you as a homework. They are very easy, so do the way how I have told you. Now going to number 4, here angle is this, there perpendicular, base, again tan. Perpendicular is missing, base is given to you. But some of you may be very terrified by looking at, sir, what is that 10 root 3? So it's very simple and easy, because you know it is with respect to tan, and tan has value 60 degree as root 3. So then that root 3 may get cancelled, or it may be easily converted. Now you will see that. So what is given to you? You are given base. What is arcs? Perpendicular. By the way, what I am doing here, you don't have to do it, okay? When you are doing the sum, I am only explaining, just for explanation purpose only I am writing this. Base is given, perpendicular is arcs. You don't need to. You only think over it in your mind. So what is given, what is arcs, and what I have to take. I am doing this so that we'll understand what is given, what is arcs, and which one I will take, sine or cos or tan. Since perpendicular base, they are present in tan. So here you go then, tan 60 degree is perpendicular by base. Tan 60 value you know is root 3. Perpendicular angle is this, perpendicular is x, and base is 10 root 3. Now I am cross multiplying. 1 into x is x, and 10 root 3 will multiply root 3. And you all know root 3 into root 3 is 3. So it is x equal to 10 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So there you are, x value is 30. So since dimensions are not given, if it is meter, you write meter, centimeter, you can write centimeter, but since nothing is written there, so I am also not writing anything. So that means the value of x is what is 30. It may be centimeter, meter, it can be anything. This is what is your question number 1, 1, 1 and 1, 4. This is when angle and one side given. Again I am repeating, angle and one side given, and you are asked to find the other side. Now let us go to question. Yeah, in question number 2, it will be just the opposite. Okay, let me do question number 2, 4. A diagram is given like this. R, P, Q. This is 45 root 3 centimeter. And this is 90 centimeter. And the question is telling you to find this theta. Now you can see that in question number 2 you are asked to find the angle. I have already discussed with you these 2 type of questions. Sometimes angle is arcs, sometimes side is arcs. Now here 2 sides are given to you, angle is arcs. Again the same, what is given to you? If this is the angle, that is perpendicular is given to you, and you are also given hypotenuse. Perpendicular hypotenuse is given, and perpendicular hypotenuse you know is present in sine. So I will take sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now I don't know what is that theta, I will write it as it is. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is 45 root 3, and the hypotenuse is what is 90. So then I'll cancel, 45 will go to 92 times. So you have now sine theta is root 3 by 2. Now you have to see the table, trigonometric table, that is standard values. Sine what value is root 3 by 2? Now if you see the table, you'll find out sine theta. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So then sine and sine is cancelled. Again I repeat, cancel it in your mind. So there you are, theta value is 60 degree. So easily you can calculate the missing angle. So see, directly I have done number 4 because number 4 looks a little complex as you can see if root is there. Number 1, 2, 3, all of them are easy. But again, if there is any problem in any of the question, you will let me know. I'll solve it for you. Okay, this is your question number 2. Now going to question number 3. Now you know now our triangle is getting doubled. In fact, two triangles are coming. Okay, let me rub it now. I may require a lot of space, so let me rub it into. Question number 3 has a diagram something like this. This is given as 40 centimeter. This is given as 60 degree. This is what is theta, and d, this is 20 root 3 centimeter. Okay, that is also in centimeter. And the question is asking you find what is theta. What is this angle theta? So again I am repeating, the question is telling you to find theta. Now the problem with you is, now when two triangles are given to you, you may think that is too tough. But then again, now see how to switch over from one triangle to the other triangle. Now if I want to find this theta here, I have to take this right angle triangle. But the problem is, if I have to find this theta, then at least two sides of this triangle should be given to you. You are given this, which is hypotenuse, but neither you know this, you don't know this side also. So two sides are missing, only one side is given to you. An angle is asked. In that way, you know, it is not possible to find what that angle is. It's not possible. So if somehow if you can find this one or this one, then I think you can combine the two and then find this angle, missing angle. So what I'll do then? First I'll take this triangle. Using this triangle, one side given, angle given, and I'll find this side. And once I find this side, now I can use that side for the second triangle, this triangle, and I can use it to find that missing angle. So here, first I'll go to the second triangle. So let me mention, I'm going for triangle ADC. This is the triangle ADC. Okay, what is given to you? Perpendicular, opposite to the given angle is perpendicular. What you are looking for? Base. Perpendicular base, you know, is tan. So let me take tan, the angle is 60 degree. Perpendicular by base. Tan 60 value from the table is root 3, perpendicular is 20 root 3, and base is what is AD. Our base is this side, AD. So then what we'll do? Cross multiply. Or if you can understand, yeah, this root 3 I can cancel with this root 3, upper side and upper side. Now if you multiply, AD into 1 is AD, and that is what is 20 centimeter. Now I know AD is 20 centimeter. Now I can go to this triangle now. Now here, let me go to this first triangle now, in triangle ABD. Now in this triangle, since the question is telling us to find this angle, now you are given this side also, this side also. Now just now you found this one. You found this one by using this triangle. So what was the purpose of the second triangle? Second triangle was given to you so that you can find this one. So after you have found what is AD, now you have two sides of the triangle and you are asked to find this. Okay, now let's concentrate only on this triangle. In this triangle, angle is this, means this 20 is perpendicular. That is hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse is present in sine. So I'll take sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So I don't know what is theta, but perpendicular is 20 and hypotenuse is 40. So if I cancel this 0 and 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, so half. Sine theta is half. And you know from the table, sine what value is half? Then it is sine 30 degree. Sine and sine is gone, so theta value is what is 30 degree. So here it is, even though two triangles are there. So why we use the second triangle? You should know why the second triangle was given. We use the second triangle to find this side. Then we use this side along with that side, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Sine theta we use, so then from there we found the value of theta. So this is a a little different as you saw as compared to the previous question. So this is what is your question number 3.